Hello students, I hope you have seen that last video which I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. So I request you continuously watch the videos. If you don't understand, you can ask the doubts at any time. Okay, fine. So today we are going to start how to find out rational numbers between two rationals. It's very important concept. Here this first method is mid value method. In this method, r and s be two rational numbers, then r plus s by 2 is between r and s. If r less than s and r less than r plus s by 2 is less. This is the method actually. Okay. So that what we have to find out the average of the given two rationals. Fine. To find out the mid value of the two numbers. Okay. Likewise, we can find out the rational numbers between the given numbers. Find a rational number. First, we are going to find out a single number between 3 and 4. So that we can use what mid value method. We can use what mid value method. Using that mid value method, we have to add them the given numbers 3 and 4 and divide by 2. 3 plus 4 by 2 is equal to what 7 by 2. Hence that 7 by 2 is a rational numbers between 3 and 4. Actually that 7 by 2 is what nothing but 3.5, 3 and half. Okay, that is we know very well that 3 and half will be lies between 3 and 4. Okay, now based on this concept you have to solve few more some questions. Okay, you have to complete this exercise. Okay, 1.1 you have to send the answer to me. Fine, we are going to use that another method to find out the rational numbers between two rational numbers. So here this method is called a denominator method. Use this method when you have to find rational numbers between two natural numbers. Actually, all of you please note down this clearly that when you have to find when we have to find out the rational numbers between two natural numbers. Natural numbers means what? It can be 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, and then two positive fractions. There should not be any negative fractions, and then there should be the common denominator. If it is a fraction, there must be what common denominator. Common denominator. For those numbers only you can use this method, and it will be easy for finding the rational numbers between the two rationals. The first step, the very first step is we have to find out the d means what? Actually the d is very important thing here. Using the d only you can find out what how many numbers they are going to ask us. No, that number of fractions, that number of rational numbers we can find out between the two rationals. Here the first step, I mean the question is what? Find n natural numbers. The question may be asked you that find out two rational numbers between any given two numbers, or else find six rational numbers between two given numbers, or else find out the seven rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So based on that we can find out what d. So the formula is finding for finding the d is what? B minus a by n plus 1. B minus a by d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. So this is the formula. We should use it here to find out the rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. N is what? N is the number of rational numbers. Okay, which will be given in the question. After that what? The second method will be we have to the second method will be what? That second method, not second method, the second step is what? Find the numbers. First rational numbers will be what? A plus d, this one, then a plus 2d, then a plus 3, and so on. Likewise we will be getting what? N rational numbers up to a plus nd. Okay, fine. So now insert the three rational numbers between 2 and 3. So for that here the formula is what? D is equal to, the formula we should remember, d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. Okay, so based on that b is what? 3, and a is what? 2, n is what? 3. Okay va. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, n is equal to 3. So substitute all these values in this formula d. You will be getting what? 1 by 4. D is equal to what? 1 by 4. After simplifying this d, you will be getting what? 1 by 4. Now as per that common method we have seen here, first rational will be what? A plus d, no? So based on that we have to use that number, first rational number a plus d. A is what? 2. 2 plus 1 by 4. When you add in this 2 plus 1 by 4, you will be getting what? 9 by 4. How will you be getting 9 by 4? The method is what? We have to add, I mean we have to multiply 4 into 2, then add with what? Numerator. That means what? We have to converting mixed fraction to the improper fraction. Like that method that method you have to use it here. Likewise second one, then third one. Okay, so you can find out the rational numbers between two given rationals or else any natural numbers using this denominator method. Use this method to find out the few more questions which are given in the exercise. Okay, and the same way another question here, a is what? 3 by 5 and b is what? 4 by 5. A is what? 3 by 5 and b is what? 4 by 5 and n is equal to 5. The question is what? Find 5 rational numbers between 3 and 5 and 4 4 by 5. Okay, sorry, actually the question I will read it again. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Fine. So here a is equal to what? 3 by 5, b is equal to 4 by 5 and n is equal to 5. So using this formula which you have already know very well, d is equal to b minus a by n plus 1. So using this formula you will be getting that d is equal to 1 by 30. So using this 1 by 30 we can add this 1 by 30 with all the, I mean with the a. Okay, then we can continuously add the using that formula. Using that formula you can continuously add to get the next rational numbers. Fine. So see here, first rational number is what? A plus d. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a. D is what? 1 by 30. Here it is. Then if you add them, you will be getting 19 by 30. How you are getting 19 by 30? We have to use the LCM method to add the fractions which are having the different denominators. For that you should find out the LCM of the denominator. 5 for the 5 and 30 you will be having the LCM 30. So you have to multiply 5 with 6, then only you will be getting 30. Then likewise here 6 into 3, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. So 19 by 30. So it continues so on. So 19 by 30, then 20 by 30, 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30 you will be getting. Okay, you have to practice by your own. So based on this method you will have some questions in the exercise. Okay, so now to find out rational numbers between two rationals, the another method, numerator method. Use this method to find rationals between two negative fractions with a common denominator. Negative fractions with a common denominator and one negative one positive fractions with a common denominator, two positive fractions where denominators are not equal. So using this method we can find out the some different different rational numbers between the given rationals. So here see carefully, example 1. Based on this method, find 10 rational numbers between minus 1 by 9 and 4 by 9. We have minus 1 by 9 and 4 by 9. The numerators of the both the fractions and multiplied by such a number so that the difference between the new numerator be at least 10 plus 1, that is what? 11. Actually the question is here, find 10 rational numbers between minus 1 by 9 and 4 by 9. So for this we have to find out how many already there are some numbers between minus 1 by 9 and 4 by 9. What are they? Can you guess it? 0 by 9, I mean 0, then 1, then 2 and 3. Okay, so likewise there are few numbers. So now based on that, we can do, or else we can multiply with 11. Why that multiply with 11? The question itself they given that 10 dash numbers, no, then you have to add a 1 with the 10, you will be getting what, 11. So on multiplying the numerators minus 1 and 4 by 3, we get minus 3 and 12. Difference between the numerators is what, 15, which is greater than 11. Thus the given fractions will become minus 3 by 27 and 12 by 27. So on increasing the numerators by 1 successfully, we get the required 10 numbers. Okay, these are the 10 required numbers. We have some more numbers till 11 by 27, but the question is what, we required only 10 rash numbers, so it's enough to show only these 10, any 10 rash numbers between that two rationals. Fine. So here find 7 rash numbers between 1 by 6 and 5 by 21. First of all, we should find out the LCM and make the denominators are same. We have to find out 7 rational numbers between 1 by 6 and 5 by 21. We should make that LCM, I mean the denominator as same. To make that denominators are same, we have to find out the LCM of denominator 6 and 21. You will be getting what, 42. So to make denominators are equal, 42 we multiply numerators and denominator by 7 and 2, we get 7 by 42 and 10 by 42. To insert 7 rational numbers, we multiply the numerator and denominator of both of the fractions by such a number 2 or 3 or 4, so that the difference between the numerators is at least what, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Multiplying the numerators and denominators of both fractions by 3, we get 21 by 126 and 30 by 126. And increasing the numerator by 1 of 21 by 126 successively, we get the required 7 rational numbers between 1 by 6 and 5 by 21. Yes. So now this exercise you ought to do by your own, and then any doubts you can ask me. We will see in the next class. Thank you so much.